do a vlookup, what we're going to do is we're going to get some sales orders that we're going to look up as data. So I'm just going to pick a few out of this data set. We're going to paste them into our spreadsheet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look up the customer. So to do a vlookup, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to go equals vlookup. We're going to open the brackets and we're going, what are we wanting to look up? So in this case, it's a sales order number. We then press comma, and it's where do we want to look it up? Now we're looking it up in this data set, and it's what column do we want to look it up? We're looking it up in column A, and what we want to bring back is column E. So column E is the 5th column, so we press comma, then 5, then comma, then we type false. Now we click the enter button, and we can do the customer details are then returned into the page. So I can drag that down and press Control D, and it looks up all of the customer's details. So I could then bring back the rest of the data that I'm wanting to bring back, which is email address. So when I go into my spreadsheet, I can see that email address is in column G, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th column. So I'm going to make sure that my range is extended to column G, and I'm looking up the 7th column. And I can again drag that down. Now the next column I want to bring back is date. Date is in column C, which is number 3. So again, I change my range to bring back the 3rd column. And then I want to know how much did the customer spend. And that is in column I, and I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9th column. So I'm going to go back here, change that to I, and bring back the 9th column, and drag that down, and my vlookup is done. Any issues, Lucy, give me a call. Cheers.